team 427. That's Lancelot. Drop back into the hybrid mode along with their partner 3314. Now both of those robots were docked and engaged on that charge station, which is an official bonus points. Now our drivers are going to step forward and take the controls as we're going to head down towards our red line side of the field as we see team 3314, that's the mechanical Mustangs, working quickly to get those teams into their community. As a reminder, you can only enter your community, which is decided through the color of your bumpers. Heading over towards our blue feeder station, you'll see all three of our Blue Alliance robots there waiting for game pieces. As team 1640 comes back across the field with that cone in their manipulator. They're working on putting that up and into the high node of that grid, and it does fall. Back down towards our red line side of the field. Team 3314 has the mechanical Mustangs working on scoring those game pieces. Team 4027 of our Blue Alliance looks to add a game piece to their hybrid node, which is the bottom level of our grid. With just about 70 seconds left here, we're going to see Team 9991 working on grabbing that game piece from their human player feeder station. And Team 427, that's Lancelot, has been playing a lot of defense today, and they'll continue to do so, trying to slow down that Blue Alliance from being able to score. Back down towards the red line side of the field, we're going to see Team 1403 completing that upper grid, giving them 3 completed links, along with 2 links on the bottom. Our Blue Alliance has, it looks like, 2 links completed on their side of the field. That board means we are in end game, so you will start to see those robots climb those charge stations to try and balance them together, all for bonus points. As we see Team 1640 working on doing that for our Blue Alliance, as Team 3313 and 427 are looking to balance for our Red Alliance. With just 2 seconds left, looks like we have Team 9991 looking to join 1640 on our Blue Alliance. Let's see if we're able to balance that out with 3, 2, 1, and that's going to be the end of match number 22 here at Riot.